What's up, guys? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero, Ofentse Ledwaba. I'm back again with a massive video, guys. As you know, I've just been trying to give you guys as much knowledge as I can possibly do, but you know that the VIP stuff is in the course directly. So if you like to learn directly from me, click on the link below. Obviously, I can reveal everything here on YouTube. It's just the introduction, the basics. So basics to Forex trading, because it will be unfair for those who have paid. So if you like to be part of the Forex Heroes team, click the link below. And without further ado, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Now let's go and dive deeper into EURJPY. Back again, guys, here on the chart. I'll just be giving you guys so much more clarity. Here is the GBP AUD setup that we are waiting to capitalize on. Okay, now where is Euro? JPY. Okay, just want to show you guys how we managed to capitalize on EURJPY. As you know, it was a very tricky one, because you can see that we are in a bigger downtrend, but we could see that we are having certain movements showing us a movement that yes, indeed, we are showing bullish movement. So that's what you call it, a pattern within a pattern, or another trend inside a trend. That's what you need to know. See that sometimes we do have a trend inside a trend. Okay, now let's look at this one, what is currently happening here. Before I go further, let me just show you how we managed to catch this move. As you can see, we managed to capitalize on. Okay, clean chart, guys, clean chart. Okay, let's start. Being a pro, I can able to see that we are in an uptrend. Why? By zooming all the way up, I can see that the market is moving in this manner. You see, I can already see that we are indeed in a, even if I don't do it in this manner, let me do this so that I can show you guys clearly. I'll do it here. Let's see. Let's do this. So look, you can see, as we know that I've already explained, the market don't just come clear like this as it's drawn in textbook format, like on the website. It won't show you like this. There's something that happens like this. So you need to know that, okay, with this you are having a movement. You'll see that this is indeed going up. As you can see, we are still above this line, which is our major resistance, the support line, as it's below diagonal support. Okay, so now let me go deeper. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you guys using the most powerful tool that we've introduced into for the Forex Heroes. As you know that in the Forex Heroes 3.0, you'll be getting much more knowledge, and we'll be introducing it. We're still busy compiling everything, so we'll be getting much more knowledge. So I want to show you guys how we managed to capitalize on that move. With me, I wouldn't take this one. I'll take this one as my lowest, so I'll just do this. So now I have identified my highest point and lowest point here, because it will make sense for me to go all the way to 2020. So I'd rather take this one, which is March 2022, because for me to come to here, we still have to prove that we are indeed going down. We need to break this. Understand? Okay, now took my lowest and highest point. in clarity, this is my zone, and then now I have this point showing me an uptrend. See, as I've drawn the line, you can see that it's showing me signs that yes, indeed we are pushing to the upside. As I've explained, I can draw this again for you as well to show you why we pushed to the upside. Okay, we have this move first. Push to the upside, but you can see that the overall trend is bullish, but inside the bullish move we have this certain significant area. As you can see here, we have points, you understand? So that's why here it was resisted and it pushed down. So let's dive deeper. Okay, now I'm gonna go to 4-hour time frame. You see that this on a higher time frame, it shows that it is a retracement, but if you look at it in a smaller time frame, you look at it as a trend. So let's look what is currently happening in this. Then I will load it. This. So you can see basically what I'm currently seeing here is the market having this type of trend inside the bigger overall trend. So now, for me to make things simpler, I can see that we are indeed pushing to the upside. I knew that we were pushing to the upside, but this was just a correction. So before I do anything, let me just use my powerful to just to show you how I knew that this will reverse here, as I showed you that we're gonna push up here. Yes, indeed we are having a correction here, but how would you know the right point? You understand? As you know, many people can put their but you can see we broke it, and another one will put their line here, but you can see we reach a level here. That's why I like to use zones instead of lines, because you must always remember price won't definitely reverse at your point, but it reverse around that area. So let's look at what is currently happening and how I managed to do that. Okay, this one you can be able to draw it on for 1 hour. So now I know that here we are having this resistance. You can see we're having this resistance level, but then how would I know that this is retracing and where will it turn? Okay, use my powerful point. So as I've mentioned, that 38.2 is my most powerful, so I would know that around this area I like to use it up until 23 in this area. That's when I knew that market has a potential to turn here. If it didn't turn here, it was subsequent to pass, reach this point, then we come. You understand? So, but you can see that we had a correction to the downside, and then we're expecting an impulse movement, which is this is what happened here. So I know around this level, that's when we managed to capitalize on the news. Let me remove. And with it, I know for facts that it will really this one will definitely be one for the books, and then we have this one here. And that's when we know can either take a trade at the break. Obviously, me, I knew that we are reversing here. I took other risk entries. Risk entries just below here. But then how would you know that where can you put your TP? Yes, in the past we used to say that you need to put your TP here at the beginning of the correction at the top if you are buying, and then beginning of the correction at the bottom if you're selling. So but you can see that yes, indeed we passed this TP. But let me show you something that you can really apply your mind to it, and you'll also be able to understand the good way and then you to capitalize profits. Maximize your profit. Okay, this one. You can see here it's 100%. So basically it moved up until 100%. But always remember that we do have a potential to reach this level. The way I see it, we do have a potential to reach this level. So you can see here we are retracing to the bottom, but then also we reach this point here, which would have been our TP. But then here we are at the top of this one. So what I will normally recommend you now going forward, as you know that we are checked the previous data, and now we're looking at the current data and where we are going. So I'm expecting is we are indeed having this looking like a downturn, some potential movement of breaking and shooting to the upside, because we are stronger in bullish, because we are in an overall bullish movement. As you can see, this is what really happened here as well. You can see this is what happened here until we broke it. See, we broke this one and we pushed to the upside. So now I'm expecting this certain movement. And then look, you can see it looks more here, because you could say it looked more like think that this would hold. But do you see what happened? They broke the resistance and pushed to the upside. So what I'm looking at currently, scaled out to 30 minutes. Okay, want to show you guys how you can be able to capitalize on this one with me as well. I'm going to be taking this one. So let's see. Okay, I can see here we are this one, but you can always remember we are still above the daily, so we do have a potential to a. But my ultimate, I'll be more than happy if we push a little bit down, coming here. See if we can come here. I know that we are having a strong trend. As you know that around this points here, the 8.2, it's a strong one if it comes here, but this one is like a weak trend, and the 50 is a normal trend. So I'll get if we can do this stronger, more. See, that's something like. But even if we break here, if we break here and then come back to retest, then trade. So you can see that I'm bullish on EURJPY. That's what I'm expecting to happen. So that's what I'm expecting to happen currently. Impulse break, but if we don't break this, so with this one I'm not gonna take a risk, because risk entry will come here 38.2. I know that is now it reached exhaustion. Exhaustion is tired now. The bullish guys will take over. So now here, this one I'll wait for a break and then action. Then that's when I'll take my trades. But with this one, you can take a risk entry and as well to show you guys what I can do here. Let's see, already we are having development of movement here. Development of a and you can see we are developing a trend following into the bigger one. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero from Ledwaba. Peace.